Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Clicxads review, and I'm going to be talking about how to make money with Clicxads. All right. So throughout the rest of the video, if you stick with me, I'm going to be showing you guys some proof. Now, if you want to learn more actionable strategies that are going to put more money in your bank account, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this one right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and minimize my camera, and I'm going to go over here to the Clicxads website, and I want to take you in to show you the different ways that you can earn. I'm going to show you, what I've earned so far, because I actually haven't been doing this for that long. All right, so let's go ahead and minimize my camera. All right, so now that my camera is minimized, you can see that we're on the Clicxads website. And also, if you haven't caught my first video that I did on this, I'm gonna link that up in the top right corner of this video. Definitely go and watch that first so you can get a better understanding of what Clicxads is, and then come back over and watch this video, all right? All right, so let's continue. So here we go. So we are on the Clicxads website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click account because I'm actually logged in already. And I want to show you guys the different ways that you can actually earn. Okay, so before I show you the ways to earn, I want to kind of show you around into the back office so you get an understanding of where everything is. So you can see right up here at the top, there's the referral link, the deposit, and the withdrawal. And then here, this is called your main balance. This right here is called your purchase balance. So everything that is over here, that's what was earned inside of the system. So like I said, I haven't been doing this for that long at all, not even a week. And you can see here, there's $12 in BTC right there. And you can see right here, this is what I put more into it than that. But I've been using that to, pretty much make the, start the BTC earning over time. So you'll get all of that once you once you decide to click the first link in the description, get started. This will all make sense. I cover this inside of our private Facebook group. All right. So as you can see, I earned, like I said, about 12 bucks. And then over here, the purchase balance. And then over here, you should see where it says earn right here on the left. I want to click that. And then you can see right here the green boxes that are on the side of the words. Okay, so you can see 46. So what these mean is that's 46 different opportunities for me to earn Bitcoin. Okay, for that particular category. Then when we come down to PTC, which stands for paid to click, that's 11 opportunities. Okay, so that's over 50 opportunities right there to earn Bitcoin. And then right here, you see it says YouTube videos. It has a green. That's 7 more opportunities for me to earn Bitcoin. So literally, I could literally go into those categories, look for certain things that people want me to do them, and then people are actually going to pay me to do them. Super powerful because there's an actual product. It's a service. Okay. All right. So let me kind of go into the CPA GPT offers to kind of let you know how you can actually earn from it. All right, so just bear with me. Okay, so as you can see, and you guys can actually read this as you're in. I already kind of understand it. But as you go down here, people have put in submissions for you to do something for them. Okay, notice it says CPA, so that's cost per action. So that means that they're going to pay you to do a simple task for them. So let me kind of give you guys an idea of what some of these tasks actually are. So you can see here, it says, let's just go here. So it says to get paid, react with a wow or a love emoji and share comment, and then boom, let's go Asia. So basically, they're gonna pay you BTC to do a simple task like that. That's just an example of the different things that you could do with this. When I first caught wind of it, and I was kind of going through the platform figuring this out, like all these different ideas was coming in my head on like all the crazy things I could literally do. And crazy, I mean good things, but things that are going to help me build my business and my brand. And that, like I said, that was the biggest selling point with Clicxads for me. And Clicxads is free. I know I keep saying selling point, but that was the biggest thing for me to actually get involved, because there's a service and it's going to help me build my business and my brand. Okay. All right. So that's just an idea. And as you can see, there's tons and tons. If I were to scroll down here, there's tons and tons of simple tasks that you can do to earn money. So what CPA GPT offers is where someone pays you to do a task for them, or on the flip side, which is the advertising side for you, you can actually pay them to do a task. Okay, so that's how CPA GPT offers work. All right, now PTC, which is paid to click advertising, all you're going to be doing is surfing ads. So as you can see here, it says in my account, it says your advertisement clicks will reset in 21 hours. And so on and so on. So that means within 21 hours, I'll be able to surf. Now, in my case, I have 11 opportunities, so I can hit start surfing. Okay, and then at the end of once of all those 11 are done, then it's going to bring me back to this screen, and that'll be it for me for that particular category. Okay, and then right here, all this is let's say for instance, people want you to like their fan page or something like that. They are going to pay you to like their fan page. They're going to pay you BTC. So you're getting BTC to hit the like button on somebody's page. Think about that. The same that would happen if you were paying for ads on Facebook. You were paying for ads on Facebook. You're not necessarily paying to get a like on your page. Sometimes people do that. I personally don't do that myself, but they're going to pay you BTC to do that. Okay, so pretty powerful. And if we go to the next thing, this is YouTube videos. So if we click on YouTube videos, you can see there's 7 opportunities for me to actually earn Bitcoin. It's very simple. All I literally have to do, get paid for watching YouTube videos. You have to watch at least 20 seconds of the video to get earnings. So all I literally do is come in here, watch these. I can watch them for 20 seconds. I can watch the entire video. It's up to you. Okay, but if you watch it for 20 seconds, you're going to actually earn BTC. Okay, all right, and then the traffic grid, pretty much that's in other words, like a banner ad. Okay, so those are the different ways that you can actually earn here on Clicxads. Now, on top of all of those different things, you have the ability to advertise using banners, using their services as far as boosting your social media presence, YouTube, Facebook, your fan page, and so on and so on. Because if we understand anything, when it comes to Facebook, you can have 5,000 friends and they're only going to show your stuff to like 5 to 10%, maybe 10%. So if you are able to use a service where there's real people, right, coming from all different devices, real people, real IPs, right, then that means it's not these bots. Okay, so I just want to clarify that, right before we even kind of continue to go on through the video, is these aren't bots, they're real people. Okay, real people are going to like your posts, or real people are going to comment on your posts. Real people are going to share their posts. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys throughout the rest of my videos, pretty much live demo on some of this stuff, so you can see that these are real people and not like these bots just being sent to your stuff. No, real stuff. All right. So that's how you're actually going to earn with Clicxads. I'm going to come back with another video showing you guys the different ways that you can actually advertise with Clicxads, and then show you guys how that'll be beneficial for you. All right. So with that being said, if you got some value from today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was valuable at all. And if you want to get started with Clicxads, it's free to join. The first link in the description. All you got to do is click that link, go ahead and register, and then just shoot me a text or give me a call. Like I said, don't be shy. I answer the phone and I also respond to text. All right. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.